Oh, I think my team overall is very coordinated and has a lot of teamwork between us because most of us here have the same passion towards drones. So I think that's what really bound us together.
As a team, we decided that everyone should have an equal opportunity to contribute their ideas and opinions to the competition.
Because of the preparation of this competition, we are able to learn the calibration of drones and how to maneuver using codes.
During the competition, there's only 10 minutes for each run, and then the time is very limited. So when a problem arises, the situation will be very tense, and then we need to figure out how to fix the problem in a short amount of time.
Always be prepared. Yeah. You know, just now our battery died. Yeah. Then we didn't have a spare battery, so we had to run all the way there. But then when he came back, the time was up.
Yeah.
New technologies are coming to help people's lives. So I want to challenge myself that would I could handle this technology.
We were using the Swift Playground app. So the Swift Playground app, there's no block base, so it's a bit more harder and more challenging. So we wanted to overcome that. So that's why we joined this challenge.
People who actually know how to do it they actually know what they're doing, and the experience is just amazing. More people should really come here.